Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing buttermilk recipe with you. It is also called as masala chas, and this is a strawberry flavored masala chas or buttermilk. I'll be using strawberry to make this to have the added benefit of fruit as well. It's an excellent summer drink, very good for digestion as well. So friends, let's start to see how simple this is to make. So now let's begin with the recipe. This is around 3 teaspoons of curd, 1 whole strawberry, roasted cumin powder or roasted jeera powder, black salt and few sprigs of coriander to give the freshness. I chopped these strawberries. Now everything will go into the blender. So first go in the curd. Then we'll be adding the chopped strawberries and then the coriander leaves. And now it's time to grind this all. Now as you can see, we've ground it properly. Now we'll be adding water, salt and cumin powder, roasted cumin powder. The roasted cumin powder, black salt to taste. You may also taste later on and add more if you need. And 1 glass of water. It's ready to be ground once again. I'm going to blend it once more so that everything comes together. And now let's open the lid and see. This is what you get. A nice refreshing summer drink. At this point you may check for salt. If needed, add more. I put some ice cubes in a glass and now we'll pour this masala chas, strawberry masala chas in this glass to serve. And this is it. It's ready now. The ice cubes are totally optional. If you want, you may add, otherwise leave them, or you may also chill this masala chas in the refrigerator and have whenever you require in the whole day. I used 1 medium-sized strawberry. You may also use 2 if you like. Strawberries, as you may all be knowing, it is full of antioxidants and vitamins. Sprinkle some roasted cumin powder on top for extra flavor. And here your masala chas, strawberry flavored, is all ready. So friends, this is it. Hope you like my recipe, and if you like it at all, do try it in your kitchen and let me know how it turned out for you. And please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. See you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye and happy cooking.